Social media will play a pivotal role in the 2025 campaign, but it's a double-edged sword. Misinformation, tribalism, which is almost inherent to Jamaica politics, and unverified political attacks are always flooding WhatsApp groups and Facebook feeds. Meanwhile, Jamaica's youth remain deeply disillusioned. They are concerned about jobs, housing, student loan, digital inclusion, but feel their voice are not represented. I know of personal instances of people who have done really well in their exams and after high school don't have the resources to go to university and can't find a good job. They go work at the call centers, paying minimum or less than minimum wage. It's horrible for those individuals. Very smart individuals, lack of opportunities.